Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a laptop and a PC shutting down randomly or turn off by itself unexpectedly in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Comes up a view advanced system settings, click on open it. Under the startup and recovery select settings. You just need to uncheck this option guys, automatically restart. After unchecking it, select OK to save changes and select OK. For the changes take effect, you just need to restart your PC guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select hardware and sound, select power options, select choose what the power buttons do, select change settings that are currently unavailable, and you just need to uncheck this option guys. Uncheck turn on fast startup and select save changes option. After doing it, close stuff here, and for the changes take effect, you need to restart your PC guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select hardware and sound, select power options, select change plan settings, the selected one, select change plan settings, select change advanced power settings. In here you just need to click on the drop down in hard disk and click on this plus icon in turn off hard disk after, and setting, click on the setting and set this setting to 0. In your laptop you will be see these settings guys, on battery and plugged in. You just need to both options set to 0. After setting both option to 0, you just need to scroll down PCI Express, click on the plus icon, link state power management list, click on the plus icon, and now you just need to turn off this setting guys. Click on the drop down and select turn off. In your laptop you will be see the option on battery and plugged in. You just need to turn off both options. After turning off, you just need to go back, like click on the minus and go back, and click on the processor power management plus icon, and minimum processor state, click on the plus icon and set this settings to 0. And after that you will be see the option like this guys, minimum processor state, on battery and plugged in. You just need to set both option to 0. After setting it, you just need to select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here. For the changes take effect, you need to restart your PC. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video, copy and paste it. After pasting this command, just press enter. After finishing this command, just close stuff here and restart your PC for the changes take effect. Method 5, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to copy and paste the third command and press enter. You need to wait for this verification to get 100%. After finishing this 100%, you just need to copy the third command and paste it in the same way. After finishing the third command 100%, you just need to restart your PC for the changes take effect guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.